ENGWE Electric Bike Review. Is it worth buying? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the ENGWE Electric Bikes. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts and special promos if you're going to buy electric bikes right here from ENGWE. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Trustpilot over here, ENGWE Bikes has a 4.1 star rating out of 5 stars and has over 1,500 reviews. So here is what reviewers have to say. Reviewers had a great experience with this company. Customers expressed high satisfaction with the quality and performance of the bikes, highlighting their comfort, power, and versatility for various uses, from commuting to off-road adventures. People appreciate the value for money, noting that the bikes often outperform competitors. The fast delivery and efficient service support are also frequently mentioned as positive aspects of the overall experience. Consumers report positive interactions with the company support team, praising their responsiveness and helpfulness in resolving issues. Many reviewers mention receiving quick and effective assistance even after the warranty period. The company's willingness to send replacement parts and provide guidance for repairs is particularly appreciated. However, some reviewers suggest that the communication clarity could be improved and that response times could be faster. So that's pretty much for the review for ENGWE Electric Bikes. So here are their bikes right here. It goes in different colors and they have different kinds of bikes here that you can choose from. So yeah, again, if you want to get special discounts and special promos when you're going to buy bikes right here, don't forget to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.